Let's talk a little bit about book bags. And I'm going to speak for a moment here. Some of the calls that I get from people indicate that there is a total reticence to use book bags for whatever reason. Either I'm told that no one is going to use book bags, or book bags can't be used, or they don't intend to use book bags. And I wonder why. Book bags are a vital part of what happens in Surpass, and they're a convenience feature that really makes your life a lot easier. So I thought I'd put out a little video that just covers the basic with regards to Safari and Web Safari and book bags. The main thing here is lists. Essentially, this video will demystify book bags so that you are a little bit more comfortable with them. What are we talking about? We are talking about this area right here, my book bag. We're going to get away from actual video for a few seconds and just look at something from a conceptual standpoint. The reason why I'm doing this is because I see it as the easiest way to understand the relationship between book bags and lists, and I think it's something that might help you if you have any kind of trepidation about book bags. All you have to do is keep this little diagram in your head or harken back to it, and you should have no problems manipulating book bags, or at least you should have no problems understanding the basis behind what goes on between book bags and lists. So essentially, we have your book bag, and we have some lists that we can create. You can create your popular titles list, your new materials list, and your reading lists. Reading lists is represented by an icon with several pages because you can create as many reading lists as you like. That is an option that is strictly up to you and your imagination. So with obviously with popular titles and new materials, you are limited to a single list for each. The main thing here for you to take away from this single plate is that the way to publish any of these lists is by adding it to your book bag first. Add it to your book bag, edit it, and then publish it. Popular titles, if you want to edit it, add it to your book bag first, and then publish it. Same thing with new materials. Add it to your book bag, publish it. These simple concepts should help you understand the rhythm, or I call it a rhythm because it sort of is a rhythm, the concept of bringing something into the book bag and then manipulating it and then publishing it. That is the meat of what I want you to take away from this video. If you don't have new materials list or a popular titles list or a reading list, then obviously you have nothing to add. In that case, you simply put the items in your book bag which you wish to publish as a popular titles, new materials, or reading list, and then simply publish them as the type of list that you want. I encourage you to look at the following videos in this series that will take you through the process of publishing each one of these types of reading lists.